Hey Natalie, I heard it's your birthday, so I wanted to sing you happy birthday. And here you go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie.
Happy birthday, Natalie!
Natalie, happy birthday. I just wanna thank you for the gift of friendship. I'm really blessed na nagkaroon ako ng chance na makakilala ng katulad mo. I wanna speak blessings over your life this year. I know that God will gonna pour out a lot of things in your life because He has really a lot of things in store for you. Continue to be surprised and be amazed on what He will do sa buhay mo. I know that you have a lot of prayers and continue to believe that every prayers you utter are already answered because you have that faith to believe in God. Ngayon lang, happy birthday again and may you have a blessed life.
Hi Natalie! Happy birthday! I miss you! Parang kailan lang, no? But obviously, God has grown you into a beautiful woman inside and out. And as you celebrate your birthday, I pray that God will continually grow you into the woman that He designed and planned you to be. So, happy birthday, Nurse Natalie. Nurse talaga kasi kiniklaim ko na pasadong-pasado ka na. All the best from the Lord. Happy birthday! Bye!
Hello, Natalie. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, no? How will you pass the board exam together with your friends? Yun lang. Konti lang.
Salamat ka sa nanay mo na matyaga, maagang gumising, masipag, pumunta dito sa studio ng ABS-CBN UKG para mabati ka namin. Happy birthday sa iyo at sana ay maging masaya ka sa umaga, sa araw na to at saka sa mga susunod pang araw ng buhay mo. Kapiling mo yung mga kapamilya mo, kaibigan mo at matupad sana lahat ng pangarap mo na magaganda. Happy birthday!
I wish you all the best, anak. Be good and God bless you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Whatever it is that you want on your birthday, sabihin mo lang sa nanay mo. Tutubarin niya yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, na-enjoy mo yan at sana magpasalamat ka sa mom mo dahil sa mom mo nangyari to at sana punta na sa birthday mo kasi feeling ko medyo tabi dahil medyo grabe yung schedule namin ngayon pero happy birthday ulit at sana mag-ingat ka palagi akong to see you.
wishing you all the best.
Yes, Ate, happy birthday. Ate, thank you for being our beautiful and pretty life coach. We are so blessed kasi ikaw yung naging life coach namin. Sana mas marami ka pang matulungan na gaya namin. We love you, Ate.
Ate, happy birthday. Thank you for being one of our elder sister. Thank you for sharing the words of God. Thank you for enlightening our hearts and minds. You've been one of my inspiration in life. Thank you, Ate. Wishing you all the best. If you like me.
Go.
Happy birthday, Tita! From your Asta family, we're happy na nakilala ka namin at sana maraming birthday pang dumating sa'yo at blessing. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Amina! Come on!
Happy birthday po sa Natalie.
NA, pero tinanggap kong machine. Ay, ano na yun? N/A or NA lang?
Wishing you all the best on your birthday. Stay pretty and nice. And good luck kanya tayo amin sa world exam.
Hello Nat, hello friend. Happy birthday to you. And so, ikaw sobrang nakaka-encourage yung faith mo. And ito pala kong sinasabi sa'yo na isa ka sa mga leader natin na babae sa church na sobrang nakaka-appreciate yung leadership. Imagine sa pagbalik mo, sobra yung leader na by God's grace na na-raise up mo from your group. At the same time, grabe yung passion mo na kahit sobrang busy ka sa pag-review as a nursing student, thank God na yung passion mo para kay God, nag-attend ka pa ng Life Box Make Sunday Worship Celebration. And I believe with all my heart, yung desire mo is that you want to honor God and continue to make disciples. Kung saan ka man ilalagay ni Lord after makapasa ka ng board exam, always remember this, you're worth waiting for. Sa mga nagpapadaman ng iba dyan, kasi isipin mo lang you're worth waiting for, and God has prepared the best man for you. So happy birthday, and we are so much blessed na parte ka ng singles team, singles ministry, and naniniwala ako na pag pumunta ka man sa ibang lugar, kung doon ka tinol ni Lord, yung passion mo pa rin to honor God and make disciples will still be uncontainable. So thank you so much for your life. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Natalie!
7, go.
Natalie, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Natalie! Kanina, di ba, sir? Happy birthday, Natalie!
Hi nang annyeong. Happy birthday ate ko. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Ayun. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being my aling-aling sa church. And I'm just so happy kasi nakikita ko ngayon na nagiging active ka ulit. And super masaya ako nung nalaman ko na nasa kids ministry ka. Pag uwi ko, mag-audition tayo sa music ministry. Ayun, pag-pray natin yun. Mag-ano na ako dito. Mag-practice na ako. Mag-practice ka rin kasi sasali tayo sa The Voice. Ayun. corny man pero totoo, gusto ko maging singer. Diyos. And I love you so much, Nat. Mamiss Cal. And sana hindi mo ako makalimutan. FB lang, Facebook tayo. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Natalie. Wish you all the best.
Hello, Nat. Happy birthday. Gusto kong sabihin na so encourage with your faith, with your passion to go and make disciples, and you are wonderfully created by God. You are beautiful and smart person. Stay who you are. God bless sa atin sa board exam. Galingan natin. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Natalie! We've been friends for 8 years now. And for me, there are a lot of people na dumaan, saka umalis. But you're one of the people, you're one of my friends who really stayed. And I believe that's because of Jesus. In our relationship, that's why we're still here after how many years now. And I'm really grateful for having people like you, for having friends like you who could speak life into my heart, to rebuke me with love, and who would pray for me, pray with me in times of struggles, in times of giving up. And ngayon, the birthday mo, I just want to remind you that God is faithful, God is patient with us. So never give up. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday! Ayan, if there's one word that would always remind me of you, is the word compassion. You're such a compassionate person. You have a very big heart for people, and I know that God is honored with your heart, how much you love people. Your ability to love is just sobrang contagious talaga. I'm blessed to have you. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for standing with me in every season. And know that I am always here praying with you, and to always push you towards Christ and not away from Him, because He's the author and the perfecter of our faith. He's the lover of our soul. He's our God. He's our Savior. God, yan, lahat na. He's all in all. And I'm excited. I'm excited for you because I know that, a lot of things are in store for you. You're a great woman. You're a warrior of Christ. You're a beautiful person. And so, I'm excited, and in every season, know that I will always be here for you. I love you, and happy birthday. Happy birthday! Yeah!
Nako, yung mga kaibigan mo, hindi nila alam kung ilang taon ka. So, mahala na. Okay, ikaw lang nila kakaalam yan. Happy birthday to you, and sana makita kita soon, and have a great one.
Happy birthday, sana wish mo will come true, and sana, always continue praying to the Lord, and syempre thank you for all the blessings na binigay niya sa'yo. So, ayun, sana makikita ka soon. Happy birthday. And thank you.
Happy birthday to you, and really bless ka ni God sa gagawin mo, sa gagawin dito ng buhay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
This is Echo. Greeting you. Happy birthday.
Just want to say happy birthday. Have a great celebration. God bless your family, your friends of this new year. God has given you. Have a great one. Ako si Joel Pascual.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you.